Can a foreigner walk into a bank in Russia and ask for 3,000 American dollars and get the new ones, the blue ones, the ones that everybody wants? That's what we're about to do. Come with me. We're about to try it. By the way, subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, so here's the plan. It is my last day in Russia. I'm about to go to the airport in about 5 hours, something like that. So I've got some loose ends I need to tie up. I want to grab some dollars for my journey because I'm going to be stopping off in Belarus. I'm going to be stopping off in Istanbul. So I'm going to go to the bank, take out cash, and go to another bank and buy dollars. British people will be really surprised by this. I think in the UK, when you go to a cash machine, you can only take out like 300 or 400 pounds a day. In Russia, you can take out like 10,000 pounds. So that would be like maybe like $13,000. Just one transaction from a cash machine. Obviously your own account. We don't deal in fraud on this channel. So we're going to pull out the equivalent of $3,000 in rubles, go to the bank and try and change it for a straight up swap. Let's go. Alright guys, we're going to head up to Novi Cherkamushki to go to the bank. So we're getting on here at Akademicheskaya. We're going up 2 stops. Let's go. Alright guys, we've came on at Akademicheskaya. We're going to Novi Cherkamushki. It'll only take about 4 minutes. Alright guys, we've came out in Novi Cherkamushki. Let's go find the first bank to go take the money out. Alright guys, I've got my rubles. We're going to go to a bank called Fora Bank. If you need dollars in Russia, my understanding, and a few people have told me as well, Fora Bank gives you the best rate. So let's go in, try and get $3,000. Here we go guys, we've got the rubles. Let's see if we can come out with some shiny new dollars. Здравствуйте. У вас есть новый доллар? Можно 3,000. Сколько рублей? Alright guys, there we go. We got our $3,000 ready for my trip. Pretty straightforward, straight in and out. Took about 5 minutes. There we go. Alright guys, we got our dollars. I've been packing up my stuff. I'm a bit sweaty. This apartment is a bit of a sauna, especially without the air conditioning that I gave away to my friend. I've been packing up. Everything's about to go. There we go. Check it out. There's all my stuff. My case was about to burst, so I've wrapped it up in cling film. I've got my case, my backpack, and that little bag that I put around my shoulders and my neck. And we're saying goodbye to the tiny apartment with the worst decor in the world. I won't miss this place for sure. It's a good location, and I guess it could be a good little flat, but it's definitely got the... Check it out. So basically, here's the story. I moved in here and I thought, you know what, I'll just decorate this, I'll just pay for it. So I said to the landlord, I'll pay for it, I'll get guys in, we'll completely decorate it. And she was like, nah, she really likes it. She's a lovely woman, but we've got the yellow wallpaper. We've got a picture of New York here. We've got another yellow wallpaper that doesn't actually match that yellow wallpaper. We've got telephone boxes, and we got black. Wait till you see the rug though, wait, this will blow your mind. I actually took the rug out for a while, and I've put it back in. The bathroom through here isn't too bad, just cleaned it all. So, it's got a jacuzzi bath, which I've never actually used. This is the entrance here. We've got a mirror there. Guys, I'll show you the kitchen as well. The kitchen's not too bad actually. More pictures of New York though. The whole time I lived here, I took those down. There is a new fridge freezer. Mine's broken, the landlord fitted a new one, so it wasn't too bad. My plant, Larissa the plant, came to me and just in a little box. She was tiny. I have Noster, but I'm leaving it to my landlord. I says, you can have them. There we go. There's the kitchen. I've probably showed you all this before. Here I can dispel some rumours. Someone, when I first did my flat tour, people were saying, why do you not have a washing machine? The washing machine is there. Okay, we got washing machine, we got a dishwasher, an oven, a microwave, fridge freezer over there. And that's basically it. But this will not be missed. I don't know why Russian people decorate like this and they like it. Oh, I never showed you the turquoise curtains actually. Check those bad boys out. Turquoise, yellow, New York, brown table, babushka rug. But that's it basically. We've had we got the dollars, been packing. I've actually been to the Red Square and filmed my final video, so I'm going to be posting this video, and then there'll be one more from me from the Red Square saying goodbye. But my flight, I need to get a taxi right now basically, so I'm about to order a taxi, go to the airport. There'll be one more video from me saying goodbye, but I need to go. Alright guys, see you later. Alright guys, how's it going? I'm at the airport right now, Vnukovo Airport to be exact, on the south, sort of west of Moscow. I'm meant to be in the air right now, but my flight's been delayed for an hour and a half. Airspace was closed, but they never told us right to the very last second. So I thought we were getting through plain sailing, but we've still got about another half hour to boarding, and then the flight will take off about an hour and a half late. I'll show you a little bit of the airport. Now, this is actually busier than usual, but as you can see, it's not actually that busy, Vnukovo. I guess apparently it used to be one of the busiest airports in the whole of Europe, but at the moment, not so much. So I'm just taking a little walk around for a couple of minutes. The very last thing I'll do in Moscow. There's a video coming up after I post this one. I'll probably post this tomorrow, then a couple of days I'll post my actual goodbye from the Red Square, but this is actually the last thing that I'm going to do. Walk around Vnukovo Airport, waiting for a delayed flight. Check it out guys, this is all the places that you can fly to. We got Baku, we got Minsk, Istanbul, Dubai, Tbilisi, Fergana, I've never heard of that. So usually, for direct flights out of Russia, it's going to be places like Dubai, China, Turkey, and then all the stands, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, all the different stands. Check these out guys, can you see it in the window? Salt and vinegar Pringles. When I came here, couldn't get them in shops, could only get them on Ozon. A lot of times it took a few days to order them. I kept going on about them every video. People got annoyed, people got bored of me talking about them. Now, they're in every shop. I think I single-handedly introduced them. You're welcome, Russia. You are welcome. Guys, let's have a little look out the window and we can see some of the planes, because we need to kill a bit more time here. Right guys, I'm going to go chill out for a bit before I board in about 20 minutes and fly out of Russia. But do come back to my channel in a couple of days. I'll be posting a video from the Red Square with a full goodbye, telling you the reasons that I came here, telling you how the idea came about, how the YouTube channel came to fruition. I went into great detail, but for today, I need to get on a plane. See you next time.